Welcome back to Heartland Rebuilds. Going to be making some keys for the Volt Chevy side cut kind of a keys, these laser cut keys. So I'm going to see if I can get this duplicated here. Picked up two new key fobs from eBay. And you've got the Chevy logos on the back, the aftermarket ones. So they come with key blanks. So we got to get these cut, and that's we get them programmed to the car. We're going to get this set up on this key cutting machine. We're going to take our little guide here, put it on the back, take our key that we want to duplicate, put in the cutter here, make sure it's nice and flat, pushed up to the back. Get that nice crank down. Remove that. Do the same thing on our blank side. Get our key blank put in here. Push it down all the way to the back. Pull that out. So we got this bottom unlocked. So we can move it back and forth. Just got to turn it on and then go down. Get that out. I'm going to flip that over. Get the other side. Alright, there it is. That's all there is to it. So we're at the car, got the key cut. So to get this key out, the manual key, you push in on here and it pops your backup key out to get back into the car. Lock cylinder is right here. So you gotta kind of use two hands, pull out on this and push this up, kind of twist it and pull back, and it'll pop this cover off and get to the lock cylinder. So then pull that off, we got the lock cylinder. Now since we got this out, make sure the door's open. We're going to turn this 5 times to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remote learn pending, please wait. So we need to wait 10 minutes before we do anything and come back. It's been 10 minutes. Press engine start button to learn. Remote learn pending, please wait. We have to wait another 10 minutes. So while you're doing this, the screen's going to turn off. So what you got to do is just shut the door and then open it back up again, and then the screen will come on. Press engine start button to learn. Press the button. Remote learn pending, please wait, and we will wait another 10 minutes. Press engine start button to learn. Ready for remote 1. So we're going to take remote 1. We're going to sit it right here. Alright, so it's ready for remote 2. Okay. Now, just get that screen come back on. So remote 2 right here. Set it in the middle. Ready for remote 3. Third remote. I'm just putting these on the roof temporarily. Come on, remote 3. Alright, ready for remote 4. I'll have a remote 4. It should be done. We got 3 remotes programmed. To get this turned off, you have to hold the power button down for about 12 seconds. All right. Shut the door, make sure it's already off in the system. And we have 3 functional keys here. Let's test these keys out. Key 1, key 2, and key 3. This was the original one. These 2 I got online. So we're going to take each of these keys out of the car, set them down, and then take the one good key, bring it inside. Yep, starts up. Try the other key. Key 2 starts it up. And the original key. Key 3 starts it up. And just to see that there's no other keys in the car, yep. All right. 3 working keys, no trip to the dealership. Thanks for sticking around and watching the end of the video. Hey, if you like this, hit that like, leave me a comment, let me know how I'm doing here. But otherwise, it's pretty easy to make these keys without having a trip to the dealership. You need about 45-50 minutes, and obviously a side cutting keying machine. If you like the key, trying to figure out how to get one of these, got this on eBay. They're pretty cheap, relatively, especially compared to the dealership. And you get the side cut key cut. Just take it to your local automotive shop, key machine place, or buy one of those side cut key machines that I showed you on one of my other videos. So I'll link to that in the description below. But otherwise, pretty easy. All right, I'll see you on the next video.